Hi everybody, my name is Mrs. Bloch from the Marquette-Alger, and in today's video we are going to make crunchy yogurt parfaits. Here are the ingredients to make a crunchy yogurt parfait. Up first we have some canned fruit, and when you're buying canned fruit you want to make sure that the can says 100% juice. And in this can of fruit, there is pineapple, papaya, mango, and watermelon. So we are going to take an empty cup and put a few pieces of fruit on the bottom. And some of this fruit is a little bit big, so what I'm going to do is chop it up into smaller pieces on this cutting board. And you can use whatever fruit you like. You could use bananas, you could use apples, blueberries, strawberries, whatever your favorite fruits are would be great. All right, so we have our fruit on the bottom, and then we have some yogurt. You could get some vanilla yogurt, you could use plain yogurt, and plain yogurt can sometimes be a little bit sour. But when you mix it with something sweet like fruit, it makes the yogurt taste sweet too. But plain or vanilla yogurt works great. Okay, so you can see the fruit on the bottom there. Okay, so we have the fruit, the yogurt, and then we're going to top it with some whole grain cereal. You can keep the cereal whole, just like that, or you can crunch it up with your fingers. And you can use whatever kind of whole grain cereal you like. Then we'll take our spoon, and it's ready to go. This could be a great breakfast, after school snack, or even a dessert.